Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel Luxury Point. Today we take a closer look at 2025 COPO Corvette. The 2025 COPO Corvette is a continuation of Chevrolet's illustrious racing heritage, offering unparalleled performance and engineering precision for drag racing enthusiasts. Built specifically for the track and produced in limited numbers, the COPO Corvette is not street legal, but it carries an aura of exclusivity and raw power that attracts collectors and racers alike. Every iteration of the COPO model has raised the bar, and the 2025 version is no exception, blending modern technology with a commitment to sheer speed and precision performance. Friends, before dive into the 2025 COPO Corvette, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more automobile reviews. Performance. Performance is the centerpiece of the 2025 COPO Corvette, and it comes with a range of engine configurations to suit a variety of racing preferences. At the top of the lineup is the naturally aspirated 7.0-liter V8 engine, a behemoth that harks back to the golden age of American muscle cars. This engine is capable of delivering immense torque and high revving horsepower, making it perfect for those seeking unfiltered, naturally aspirated power. For those craving even more speed and torque, the supercharged 5.7-liter V8 variant adds a layer of forced induction, providing mind-blowing power in the region of 1,000 horsepower. This engine option delivers brutal acceleration, pushing the COPO Corvette to complete the quarter mile in some of the fastest times ever seen in the car's class. The power plant is paired with a race-tuned automatic transmission that features a quick shift capability, allowing for rapid gear changes essential for drag racing. Every aspect of the car's performance has been fine-tuned, from its precision-tuned suspension to its low-drag body design. The 2025 COPO is built on a lightweight frame that integrates advanced materials like carbon fiber to reduce weight while enhancing the car's strength and handling. Chevrolet has equipped the COPO with a revised launch control system to ensure optimal acceleration from a standing start. Traction control is finely calibrated for maximum grip on the strip, and the car's rear-wheel drive configuration ensures power is delivered efficiently to the tarmac. Exterior design. The 2025 COPO Corvette's exterior design is not just about aesthetics, it's a masterclass in aerodynamic engineering. Every curve, vent, and line has been optimized for performance. The car's wide stance, coupled with its low profile, creates a striking visual presence while aiding stability at high speeds. The front end features large air intakes that help channel cool air into the engine bay, crucial for maintaining temperature under the extreme conditions of drag racing. The vented hood, a staple in COPO design, further helps dissipate heat from the engine, keeping the power plant at optimal performance levels. The aggressive front splitter and rear wing work together to provide aerodynamic balance, generating downforce to keep the car glued to the track at high speeds. The lightweight carbon fiber construction of the body panels not only reduces overall weight but also adds to the structural integrity, ensuring the car remains stable even under the stress of rapid acceleration. Specialized racing wheels are fitted with high-performance drag racing tires, which are wider at the rear to enhance grip during launches. These slick tires, combined with the car's race-tuned suspension, help deliver blistering quarter-mile times and consistent track performance. Interior design. While the exterior exudes aggression and performance, the interior is a Spartan, race-focused environment. The 2025 COPO Corvette's cockpit is designed with one thing in mind: speed. Comfort and luxury take a back seat, as weight reduction is a priority. To that end, Chevrolet has stripped out most non-essential features, including infotainment systems and unnecessary trim, replacing them with high-performance racing components. The driver's seat is a lightweight, carbon fiber racing bucket seat, equipped with a 5-point harness system to keep the driver secure during high-speed runs. The inclusion of a full roll cage adds to the car's safety features, ensuring that the driver is protected in case of an accident. The dashboard is minimalistic, featuring only the essential gauges needed for drag racing. Engine RPM, oil pressure, fuel levels, and transmission temperature are displayed prominently for quick reference. The steering wheel is race-inspired, with paddle shifters for fast gear changes. The ergonomics of the interior are designed to keep the driver's focus on the track. Even the materials used inside the car, such as Alcantara and carbon fiber, are chosen for their lightweight properties, ensuring that nothing detracts from the vehicle's primary mission, speed. Fuel efficiency. In the realm of drag racing, fuel efficiency is a distant consideration. The 2025 COPO Corvette is no exception, as its high-performance engines are designed to prioritize power output over fuel consumption. With large displacement engines and supercharged options, the car is built to burn through fuel quickly to produce maximum horsepower and torque. As a result, the COPO Corvette will guzzle high-octane racing fuel at a high rate, especially during the intense acceleration required in competitive drag racing. The COPO Corvette comes equipped with a specialized fuel system that can handle high-octane racing fuels, providing the performance necessary for professional drag events. This system ensures that the engine can operate at peak efficiency, even if fuel economy takes a back seat to raw speed. For drag racing enthusiasts, this is a trade-off that's well worth it. Friends, the 2025 COPO Corvette stands as a modern interpretation of classic American muscle, delivering unrivaled power, precision engineering, and track performance. Built for the drag strip and designed with cutting-edge technology, the COPO Corvette continues its legacy as one of Chevrolet's most exclusive and powerful offerings. From its potent engine lineup to its lightweight, aerodynamic design, the 2025 COPO Corvette offers an unparalleled racing experience for those fortunate enough to get behind the wheel. Though not destined for public roads, the COPO Corvette will leave an indelible mark on the drag racing world, with its engineering excellence and relentless pursuit of speed. It's not just a car, it's a piece of racing history, designed for those who crave performance in its purest form. I hope you will enjoy this detailed review. If you think this review is informative, then please like video and subscribe channel for more reviews, and don't forget to share this review with your friends. We meet in next review. Stay happy and drive safe.